The 1971 Hoover Dial A Matic model 1178. Obviously the cord's broken. You can see the handle's cracked. It's missing its headlight lens. Also, I think it's headlight too. Oh man. Well, it seems like it's been through some rough times, but it seems like it survived it. Here's the back. Ooh, that feels jammed. Oh man. Bro, is that a hole in the unit? No, it's not. I was gonna say, that's some good quality. Back door. There it is. Nothing special. Foot release pedal works. You can see it's missing its headlight. See, it sounds a little rough. If you listen to that, you can hear the spring sounds rough. I can obviously see the bottom of the unit. Looks like it's sole plate. I can't think of it. The only thing I can think of is hitches, so I'll just name it that. So let's see what's going on the bottom of this machine. There we go. We got them locked in place, so it's loose. Yeah, this is what the bottom of the 1178 looks like. Model 1178 right there. Pretty interesting. I think we can work with this, see what we can do to get it up and running again. And there she is.